In existing industrial facilities or plants, everything has the potential to change. 3D laser scanning for industrial plants leads all aspects of engineering projects in plants and facilities. A single scan can provide an incredible amount of information about the existing conditions of your industrial plant. Keeping processes running smoothly, efficiently, and safely is a top priority for industrial applications across all industries, driving industrial facilities to increase their operational efficiency and reduce wasted costs, time, and materials. As more and more manufacturers turn to data-driven processes and automated solutions, the potential for laser scanning in the industrial manufacturing sector increases. Laser scanning enables improved safety, efficiency, accuracy, and throughput for many manufacturing applications.
ScanPhase collaborates with engineering and industrial facility managers in Europe, Spain, Germany, France, Italy, Portugal, Austria, Belgium, Netherlands, Malta, Gibraltar, with our experience by offering our laser scanning and measurement services in capturing the current state as built, and in generating enriched models using the most widely used design tools on the market: Graphisoft ArchiCAD, Autodesk Revit, Navisworks, AutoCAD.